Next comes a thicker asphalt coating, mixed with powdered limestone. It's applied to both top and bottom. This coating will make the membrane flexible. It'll also form a protective barrier against harsh weather. With the coating still wet, coloured ceramic granules are spread over the top surface. This gives the shingles their colour and makes them resistant to the sun's ultraviolet rays. Granules that don't stick to the wet asphalt get recycled back into the system. Next, a cellophane strip is applied to the back surface, so the shingles won't stick together in the package. Then the back surface is showered with powdered stone to also prevent sticking. Even at this point, the asphalt coating is still piping hot. Too hot for the shingle material to be cut to size. So it's off to the cooling section, where cold rollers and water jets bring down the temperature. The next machine sticks on strips of adhesive asphalt. The sun's heat will activate them, keeping the shingles stuck to each other. There's now a choice of how to cut the bottom edge of the shingle, which determines the shingle's profile. On the way to the cutting station, the shingle material passes through the finish looper. Like the felt looper we saw at the beginning, the machine accumulates enough reserve so that production won't come to a standstill if there's a problem. The cutting machine chops both size and profile. Standard shingles measure 100 by 33 centimetres. This model has a straight edge, but some styles have a curved bottom. An automatic counter keeps track of production. The shingles are automatically stacked for packaging, usually 21 sheets to a bundle, enough to cover roughly 3 square metres of roof. Asphalt shingles come in 50 different colours and in about a dozen different shapes and profiles. Each bundle of shingles is wrapped in paper that's been treated with polyethylene to prevent water penetration. The bundles then go onto pallets, which the factory then wraps in a plastic bag that's water and UV resistant. Generally, the thicker the asphalt and granule protective barrier, the more durable they are and the longer the guarantee. So, the choice is yours. Coming up in How It's Made, expanded polystyrene products, snappy name with a snappy finish, and boiled sweets, handmade gourmet treats for kids and adults alike. See you after the break. Welcome back to How It's Made. Later we look at boiled sweets, handmade gourmet treats. But first, we simply call it polystyrene. But its proper title is expanded polystyrene packaging. Those feather-like white foam inserts that come in boxed items. They not only secure the merchandise, they also act as a shock absorber during transport. Polystyrene plastic comes in tiny pellet form. The first step is to expand them inside a steam chamber. The 200°C heat causes pentane gas in the pellets to escape, allowing air to enter the pellets and inflate them up to 40 times their original size. Here are the polystyrene pellets before and after expansion. The factory then bags the pellets in huge sacks. To make expanded polystyrene products, they start by dumping sacks of expanded pellets into what's called the block mould machine. The more pellets they put per cubic metre, the denser the product will be. The pellets are steam fused together, moulding them into a block that's roughly 5 metres long and 1 metre wide. This moulding process can take 20 minutes, depending on the density. A scale built into the conveyor belt weighs the block to make sure it meets specifications. Depending on its density, a block this size can weigh up to 200 kilograms. Now the block is ready to be cut into whatever product the client has ordered. Expanded polystyrene is best known as a packaging material, but it also has many other uses. Here, a block is being sliced into insulation panels. Builders use expanded polystyrene insulation for basements, roofs and foundations. Regardless of the product, the polystyrene is cut from blocks using a copper and nickel wire that's electrically heated. It melts the polystyrene on contact, enabling fine precision cuts almost to the millimeter.